Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and you can see in my screen we continue learning about the order of operation with bracket. But for this video we will have the complicated bracket. It's a little bit harder than the last video. Inside the bracket for question 1, you can see you have 9 plus 3 and minus 2. We have two operations in this bracket, and because we have only addition and subtraction, so the order will tell you about you will take the operation from left to right. Okay, so step by step, I will show my working out for this question like this. The first, outside the bracket 10 plus, I will take it outside and repeat it. And inside the bracket, I will take the first order is 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, you got 12 and minus 2. And close bracket. After this, inside the bracket for new line, you have only one operation. Outside the bracket still be repeat. This one will be 10, and after that only one operation. 10 plus 10 is very easy for you now, is 20. How about the question 2? You got 19 outside the bracket, and inside the bracket you got only subtraction and another subtraction. So this one will tell you the order for taking from left to right. Taking from left to right is mean you have to take 10 minus 3 first. This is not 19 minus 10 first, because 10 inside the bracket. The outside repeated. Inside we have the order from left to right. 10 minus 3 you got 7 and you got minus 5 here. And 7 minus 5 you got 2 outside the bracket. I still be repeat. 19 minus 2 you got 17. So here is my final answer for this question. Okay, how about example 3? You have a new order or harder order. 10 minus 20 minus 3 plus 5 and plus 7. Okay, this is a little more complicated bracket. We have only one rule. When you have bracket, take the action inside the bracket first, and the outside I will repeat. Okay, so from here you got 10. 10 minus open bracket. Inside the bracket you have 3 operations: subtraction, addition, addition. Okay, the first thing, 20 minus 3, you got 17 plus 5 plus 7. I repeat it. You got 10 here. 17 plus 5, you got 22 plus 7. Still be inside the bracket. 10 minus 29. And 10 minus 29, you got minus 19. Okay, that is the way how can you solve the working out for question 3. Yeah, you can see a little bit harder, but I think you can understand. Okay, we move to another question. Example 4. You have bracket, big bracket, and inside this bracket you have three operations: multiplication, subtraction, and subtraction. The first rule, when you take the order of operation, you will take the operation inside the bracket first. And for this one, you got 20 times 2. So I will take this one first, 40. Another, it means different to multiplication. I will repeat. Repeat this one, and close bracket. Outside the bracket, we repeat it again. Okay, so inside the bracket here, a little bit simpler. 14 minus 10 minus 20. From left to right, you got 40 minus 10 minus 20. This result inside the bracket and plus 3 outside. And for this one, you got 10 and you got plus 3 here. And then you got 13 is my final answer for this question. Okay, so example 5, a little bit harder then. You got 5 and I'm got 10 plus 20 minus 5 plus, this is not, times 3, and this one inside the bracket. Okay, so 10 plus 20 minus 5 times 3. So what does it mean 5 times 3? It means multiplication, you will take it first. And the outside the bracket, I repeat, inside the bracket you got subtraction and multiplication. And because you have multiplication, so I will take multiplication first. 20, repeat, minus, repeat, and 5 times 3, you got 15. 20 minus 15, you got 5, and outside the bracket, I keep it unchanged. And for this one, you got 15. This one, you got 15. The same thing for division, but for this video, we just practice with multiplication. You got here is 100 minus 5 times 4 and plus 20 in here. You got this bracket with multiplication here, so outside the bracket I repeat, and inside the bracket I will take the order of operation. Multiplication first, 100 repeat, minus repeat, 5 times 4 I'm take it 20, 100 minus 20, 80 plus 20, you got 100. 100 is my final answer for question 6. You can see this video a little bit complicated because inside the bracket maybe you have more than 2 operations, but the same rule, you will take the order of operation first and then you calculate from the left to right if that operation only have addition or subtraction. But when you have multiplication inside the bracket, you have to take in multiplication first and then other operation. After you finish inside the bracket calculating, you will take the operation outside the bracket and then you got final result. Thank you so much for watching this video, and after this one you have a test. Do it by yourself. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.